This is my mom, and she's been obsessing over Labubus for the longest time after watching this Vice Ganda video. She thought they were so ugly when I showed her them, like way before that video. But since she liked them, it was my new mission to get her what she wanted.
Yeah, I want the secret one. That's big. I like, gusto ko naman lahat pero that's my favorite, the secret one. First time that I'm into, mga pang kids stuff.
Which one did you want?
I want the secret one.
Out of all of them, of course she wanted the secret one. But luckily, my best friend went to Taipei and bought a whole box of Labubus. And I made her search for a secret, and it ended up actually being there, which was great for me. Her birthday is in December, but I couldn't wait till then, so it's currently my birthday in May. So I'm gonna try to wrap it multiple times because she already guessed. She already guessed correctly what I got her. I got this paper from McDonald's. It's like a tablecloth with a bunch of like coloring pages and crosswords. I'm not wrapping it very nicely because she's probably gonna just, presents are meant to be ripped open. Then I'm gonna put it in a Aritzia bag. I'm gonna put the Aritzia bag in another bag. So I think I'll just give it like this because she already guessed it. She knows me too well. So let's go. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Can you put it on your lap?
Tapos ako yung may gift. Birthday niya, ako yung may gift. Ah! I know this! I can see!
You didn't even do my multiple wrapping. I gave her multiple wrapping.
I know! Sabi ko na eh!
What do you know?
I know this!
Oh, really?
Yes! Sabi ko sa'yo eh!
What do you know?
Oh, thank you! Ano to? Is it,
That's just a sticky note.
so I mean, hindi natin alam kung nandito sa loob?
Open it.
Okay.
It's not even open.
I know, pero it's a secret? Ano?
How do you know what's inside if you don't open it?
Okay. So, nakalimutan ko na sa tagal na hindi pag-open. Ba't wala?
It's at the top. I think it's covered.
Oh, that's why. I forgot. It's been a long time. It's been months. Can I look at the sticker first? No?
That's not how blind box works.
Oh my goodness! Really? Oh, it's a secret! Hooray! Anak! Yes! Oh my goodness! Oh my! Oh, thank you, anak. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nayak naman ako.
Happy birthday! Oh, guys, she's crying.
Cute.
Where's she going?
Inanay mo. Inanay mo pag nag-open ng gift, palagi siyang, I know this, and dapat buksan na.
No!
Wait, this is good content. Come on. Oh, she's so happy.
Oh my goodness! Paano mo nalaman anak na secret to?
The sticker.
Really? Pinabili mo to kay Uni?
Yeah,
But she doesn't know it's a secret?
she knows.
Oh!
I made her look through the box.
Oh, why? Oh. Pinaiyak mo ako! Wow!
This is your birthday present, by the way.
I like brown so much.
You want to show the camera? Or come closer?
See? See? Pati nail polish ko, brown. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Videoception.
May secret na ako. Ito ang aking secret.
I'm so glad that she's happy with her present that she opened on my birthday.